Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix foreign key is not working in database table in PHP MyAdmin. Before starting work, is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. We created customer table and order table. In customer table, we set ID primary key and this is our customer name. Now back to database. In order table, we set order ID primary key and customer ID foreign key and this is the order date. So when we are trying to add record with invalid data, that customer ID not exist in customer table but data added in order table. So we are going to add some record to check because this table accepted invalid data but we set customer ID foreign key. Now go to SQL, so click on it. Now paste query. Now you see insert into order customer ID, order date. So we are going to set customer ID 5. In customer table we have ID 1 and 2, not 5, and then click on go. Now you see one row inserted. Now go to browse again. Now you see invalid data added. So this ID is not exist in customer table. So this is our foreign key in order table and customer ID is primary key in customer table. So we are going to fix this issue. So basically foreign key relationship ensure that each customer record is associated with the valid customer order. If you try to add or insert a record of order with the customer ID that does not exist in the customer table, the database will throw an error maintaining referential integrity, but now they are accepting invalid data. So we are going to fix it. So first we are going to check database table storage engine. Now go to database again. Now you see customer. So click on it. Now go to operation and then you see storage engine MyISAM. Now select InnoDB and then click on go. So click on it. Now you see your SQL query has been executed successfully. Go to database again. Now you see customer table data type InnoDB. So you make ensure that both of your table customer orders are using the InnoDB storage engine. Foreign key constraint are only enforced in InnoDB. If either table is using a different storage engine like MyISAM, the foreign key constraint will not be enforced. Now you see order table. So click on it. So if you want, you can make storage engine by operation or you can use by SQL. So we are going to do it by using SQL. So click on it. Now paste query and you will find all queries in video description or in comment section. Now you see alter table orders. So this is a table engine InnoDB and then click on go. Now you see alter table done. Go to database again. Now you see both type InnoDB. Now you see we set customer order table both. So now we are going to alter order table and we are going to add foreign key again. So we are in browse and then you see SQL, so click on it. Now paste query and you will find this query in video description or in comment section. Now you see alter table orders and then you see add constraint foreign key order customer. So you can add this according to requirement foreign key. So this is our customer ID and then you see reference. So this is our customer table and this is our ID. So this is our customer ID for order table and this is our ID for customer table. Now you see and then click on go again. So click on it. Now you see error. So first we are going to delete invalid record we added. Go to browse again. Now we are going to delete this. Now go to SQL again. Now paste again. Again we added query and then click on go. Now you see MySQL return an empty result, alter table done and foreign key add constraint added. Now you see customer ID, order table, reference, customer table, ID column. Now go to browse again. So now we are going to add some invalid record first to check. Now go to SQL again. So click on it. Now paste query. Now we are going to add some 5 number. ID 5 is not exist in customer table. Now click on go. Now you see error. Insert into order customer ID order date cannot add or update a child row our foreign key constraint failed. Now you see. So we are going to add valid ID. In customer table, we have 1 and 2 ID. So now we are going to add 2 and then click on go. Now you see record edit. Go to browse again. Now you see 5 ID, customer ID 2. Because customer ID 1 and 2 exist in customer table. Now go to database. Now open customer. Now you see 1 or 2. And then we are going to add again with ID 5. Back to order table. So click on it. Go to SQL. Now paste. Now we are going to add 10. And then click on go. Again you see error. So now you see our foreign key issue is fixed. So first we alter the table storage engine. So you can do it by using operation or you can change it by using SQL query to InnoDB storage engine. So we set our both table storage engine InnoDB and then we alter the order table and we add foreign key constraint again, and you will find both queries in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.